Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mckoy once again. Today we're going to do something new! Something exciting, something awesome. This is a special day, my man. Huh? This is a very, very special day. You know why? Because we're going to Okada, my man. Okada Manila, guys. And we are going to stay at one of the most expensive rooms that we have stayed at. I looked around different sites to see their rates. And my goodness, my goodness. Per night is ranging from 23,000 pesos to 28,000 pesos. Per night, 28,000 pesos, man. My God. The price already tells us what the room will look like or what the suite will look like. And I'm very excited for you guys to see, and I'm very excited to tour you around. Yeah, without further ado, nice. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, B-roll. They still did the here. Yeah. Safety protocols. Ma'am, magre-renewal lisensya po. For the coffee, baby. We're having to. I'm trying to lower down my caffeine intake, coffee intake. I just can't control it because, if I'm drinking coffee, it's usually this big. So having these two small coffees is just the right amount of caffeine, but I know an abusive amount of caffeine. So we're doing a lot of activities today. I'm gonna give you a room tour. I'm not letting this chance pass without documenting it because it's not every day that someone will give us a free room, free massage, free food, So, kamsahamnida. Nalak tayo, guys. Nalak ako. Magmumontage sana ako. Nalak ako, guys. Alright, anyways. Take two. Alright, so we're here at the executive room already. So I'm just gonna tour you around because, this is amazing, man. First off, when you get in, you're gonna see, what the this is legit, man. Just check that out. What the holy, look at that, guys. If you're going to do 360 of where I'm at right now, you're going to see there the sala. You have your dining area right here. So mind you, guys, this is just the room, This is just a room, but executive one. And you have your bar right here. Maybe you'll have, drinks, beer, champagnes, all of that, and you'll have your customers right here, your friends. So, sir, what do you want? Do you want something? Gold Eagle? Pilsen? Something like that? You can do your... Ang tawag doon? Thousand Island drink?
Thousand Island dressing
So, something like that. You're gonna slice fruits, go put it in a vodka or something. So, we have the bar. We're done with the sala area. This is the sala and then dining. Now we're going to check out the room, the bedroom part of the executive room. So, what the hell? And there's another TV, what? So, yeah, what? Master's bedroom. Because the size of that bed is master size. It's really big, it's king size. And then you have an extra bed right here. What? Mahal? Is this the massage area? Yo, there's a massage area inside an executive room. That's crazy. Yo, there's a massage room. I mean, it's bigger than my room. Just look at that. If you're going to chill, you just lost 1 million pesos in the casino or something, and you're stressed. You don't have money to pay anymore. Just relax here. Call services, and then hey, I want a massage. Then this is the area right here. You have your robes. Gusto mo mag-chill or that. Alright, so this is the massage area. There's too many. Just in case you don't want to stay in your bed, you're bored, and you want to stay somewhere else, and you can stay here. You can just sit here and chill, something like that, and then watch TV. Okay, so that's the bed area. And then you have another set of, for some reason, sala in here. You can sit down here and then you can chill like that. If you have visitors, if you have a lot of family members that wanted to chill inside the master's bedroom, they can just sit down here, have coffee, Gold Eagle, some tanduay, something like that while watching. So speaking of Nescafe, they can just reach it in here. See, you have a lot of coffee options. You have tea, and then you can just brew something. You can boil water there because there's a kettle. And then you can, while sitting, you can boil already. You have complimentary water. Okay, so now let's go to the dressing room. So for some reason, if you brought your wardrobe with you to stay here for 1 month, you'll have this ready for your dress, clothes, something like that, gown, tuxedo, all of that. And then you can do your makeups in here. See how big this thing is? This is just the master's bedroom, guys. It's time to go to the bathroom area. The main bathroom, like the special bathroom area. There's the jacuzzi area. You have your sink, your first sink in here. And then if you're bored using this sink, you can just go ahead and transfer there. You can brush your teeth in here and then wash your face there. Just the... What? What? Yo, what the... Okay, so jacuzzi and there's mini TV. All in all, this room has like 3 TVs, televisions. In the shower area, you can see... Yep, just the usual. Have your shower there. Let me show you the most awesome part of staying in Okada. I mean, it's like I want to stay here forever, you know? This is my favorite part. Yo! Hallelujah! Cleansing method, okay? So it's divided into 3. It depends on how strong your butt is. So we have cleansing number 1, cleansing number 2, and the bidet. And you can adjust the spray of the bidet. You see that? Spray strength. Spray strength, man. Just check that out. You want to do full blast. Just be careful because it might come out of your mouth. So just be careful of that. And once you're done cleaning, you have deodorizer. Everything here is automated. So this is going to be your remote control to control everything in this room. Did something change? Ah! Ang ganda ng blue na kulay. Ba't sa atin hindi blue, no?
Kasi lumutong kasi.
Ano ibig sabihin nun? massage. What are the choices?
Dance. Ito, nagpasabi.
Dance?
Hindi,
No.
dance waves. Parang gamit ito.
Dance waves. Because what I know is you just need to play at the casino. Diba?
Ha?
You're not listening. Have you, guys? What? You answer me, ha? You answer me na lang. We have different options for massage, man. Let's check that out. So we can choose. Me, I like it when a massager or masseuse, massager. Well, I like that. Dance of waves. What the hell? Following 4-hour massage that glides the whole length of your body to help you get calm and relaxed. 4,000 pesos for 1 hour and then adds 1,000 every 30 minutes. Oriental Harmony. So a dry massage done fully clothed. That's a good idea, but I want to be topless somehow. I don't want to be fully clothed while the masseuse is massaging me. Duyan. Massage on the rocks. Huh. With vodka and This one is reflexology is 500 pesos more expensive. Maybe it has a class session.
Treatment for the legs and feet. For legs and feet lang siya.
Huh? Legs and feet? 6'5", 4'5"? Dong! No. I can massage my own feet, thank you. I can do that. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm good with elbows. Alright, what's up guys? Yeah. We're having our massage. And it's 11 a.m. We will need to wait for our turn. Or for us to be called before we get to the massage area. I'm excited. Are you excited, baby?
Yeah.
What's your massage? Duyan massage. So in here it's hilot. Targets your pressure points. It's a really cozy place. So 4,000 pesos is, so 5,000 is 90 minutes. 4,000 is 60 minutes. So that's in peso. Yeah. Good thing it's complimentary. So let's go, guys. So we are going to visit that later. Maybe after our massage. The place is really relaxing too if you're going to listen to it. The ambience, the lighting, the music. That's it. You'll need to use the disposable underwear that they will provide, because the oil will mess up your shorts. So we'll have to use this. Alright, so yeah, I can see you guys later. I don't want to I don't want to include on this vlog my whole body, because we're not there yet. If I get those pandesals in my body, then that's the time that I'm going to do topless on the video. But since it's waves, I'm not gonna do that yet. Alright, see you guys later. I'm gonna share with you the experience after the massage. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh my god. Yo, what?
I'm 90.
I'm 90. What? Saan yung 90? Ito yung 60. Holy. Okay. See you guys later. Ever. Shit, parang akong nangarag. Niya lang ako humilik kaya gumigising ako Sarap na sarap ako sa massage kanina. Pinipilit kong hindi maglaway. Kasi sa baba, merong tablet. Tapos yung mukha ko, nakaganon. So pag naglaway ako dun, matutuluan ko yung tablet ng laway, man. Merong Samsung tablet kasi sa baba, yung bilog to. Tapos, ang sarap. Tapos may nilagay silang yung parang dahon na mainit. May stretching pa. Kanina pinag-split ako ni ate. After they do the massage, they're gonna give you a refreshment. So with refreshment, they give you these. Oranges, peanuts, and then ginger tea. So that all of the toxins will be cleansed out. I was only shy to continue snoring. As soon as I got conscious, I was like, alright. It feels like they're not rushing you, diba? Just taking their time, going all over your body, putting some warm oil. Especially the oil is warm, it's warm, diba? And they're gonna put warm towel on top of your back. And they're gonna make you split. Gonna do like that. Shit. So that concludes our Okada vlog. And I really hope that you enjoyed our vlog for today, man. I was able to tour you around, especially in our room. I was able to provide you some ideas and maybe help you decide if you're going to get a room for yourself on your birthday or any celebration that you have. I really hope that you enjoyed our vlog for this week or for today. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends. I'm gonna see you again on my next video, reaction video.